Why does your scanner show the P2021 engine code? What does it mean? P2021 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner position sensor or switch circuit low bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's ECM has detected a low voltage condition in the sensor circuit that monitors the position of the intake manifold runner flaps on bank 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMRC actuator, IMRC position sensor or switch failure, wiring or connector issues, vacuum leaks, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru vehicles, particularly models like the WRX and Legacy GT. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.